Hey y'all, what's going on? Happy Thursday! Yeah. Anyway, you're trying to tell me we live in a society where really committees have to get together and decide the smallest minute things. On the news, I saw it from yesterday and it continued today. The MTA system here, and those of you who live in New York, y'all, you've seen people sit and eat full meals on the train and on the bus. I think it's totally disgusting. Now, I don't think that the city should have to regulate whether or not you can eat on the bus. You would think you have some common sense, some kind of brought-up-sies, some kind of manners that you wouldn't do that. Now, okay, you may say, oh, what if it's a child? Da, 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 da. Okay, now my thing is, I think that's where it begins. You start training your child. You know, if you're going somewhere, have breakfast before you leave, get up on time, do whatever. It's not really necessary to eat a full meal on the bus or the train. Then we complain about, oh, there's mice, it's dirty. Da. Well, if you're eating, what do you expect to happen? So they tried to revisit it because of something that happened. I'm going to find an article or maybe a video. Someone was eating spaghetti on the train. There was a fight broke out and spaghetti went everywhere, people complaining. Now, my thing is, would you have complained if the fight didn't break out and spaghetti didn't get on you? Yeah. How do you feel about that? Say you're sitting beside somebody and they pull out a plate of Chinese food just wide open and sitting there like they're chilling in their living room. I think it's disgusting. You that hungry? Really? They have seats in the Chinese food restaurant. I think every blinking Chinese takeout I've seen got a little table in the corner or something. If you going to McDonald's, sit your ass down, eat, and catch a later train. Yeah. Okay, so it has stopped snowing. It's just the remnants of. It's the white fluffy stuff. Anyway, they said it's supposed to warm up and this should melt. As long as the weekend's nice, I really don't care. Well, no, let me not, because I don't want no big old snowstorm, so let me not say that. They said on the news this morning, it was in 18-something, that it snowed like on April 25th. That was, but yeah. Hopefully this is the last. How many of y'all watching American Idol? My vote is for Pia. P-I-A. Yeah. I mean, I've pretty much watched all episodes. I'm recording it, so whatever I miss, I just play it back. I'm about to head on the road. I'm about to get on the road. Y'all have a wonderful day. Remember, the contest ends. When does it end? The last day of the month is what? It ends on the 31st. That is a Thursday. I was ready to close this joint now. I'm like, that's not fair. If anyone, whatever. But I'm ready to do the next one. But I'll put the link below. Check all the links below. Check everything below. And y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great day. Stay focused. Be good to yourself and each other. And until I see you, peace, y'all.